Hi everyone, Transport Topics here to help you answer an outstanding trucking maintenance question. What is the importance of regulatory compliance, and how can I avoid high insurance premiums? In the trucking industry, compliance with regulations directly impacts insurance costs. Insurance providers assess risk based on factors such as safety records, adherence to laws, and maintenance standards. Noncompliance with regulations, like hours of service, maintenance, or weight limits, increases the risk of accidents, fines, and legal issues, which can lead to higher premiums. To avoid high insurance premiums, trucking companies should prioritize safety and compliance. This can be achieved by maintaining up-to-date certifications, ensuring drivers follow legal hours of service guidelines, and investing in regular vehicle maintenance. Additionally, implementing driver training programs to reduce accidents and improve safety records is essential. Maintaining a clean driving record using telematics to monitor driving behavior, speeding, harsh braking, and participating in safety programs also can help lower premiums. Finally, choosing a policy that aligns with company needs and regularly reviewing coverage can ensure that you're not overpaying for unnecessary insurance. Don't forget to subscribe for more insight into the trucking industry.